Hi everyone, it's Zoe and I'm here with my very first YouTube video and I'm sharing a layout with you that I've made for Quirky Kits using the July and August kit. So just starting my layout with some Nuvo and using it similar to a paint really. Lots of people use Nuvo for drops on layouts, but I'm using it here just to create some background for my photo clusters. I'm working with some photos from a date night with my partner recently, our first meal out since the pandemic and our first night out this year actually. So some nice pictures of us with some cocktails which work perfectly with some of the embellishments that came in this month's kit. So I'm just mounting my pictures here using the Sweet Story Maggie Home 6x8 paper pad and distressing the edges to give it a little bit of texture. I do struggle a little bit in terms of thinking about my photo positioning. In the end I am happy with what I do and I pop one of those pictures up on foam. I fussy cut a couple of the 6x8 papers off screen, again they're from the Sweet Story 6x8 paper pad, and I've used the frame paper to create the main background of my layout and the title for my page. So I've used a few of the cards that came in the kit and I've cut out the drinks from two of those, and then the third one I'm using the scallop pattern to create some further layers around my images. So I'm starting to embellish in those frames and I'm using the theme stickers that came in the kit as well as the Amy Tan puffy stickers. I've also fussy cut from the Jen Hadfield paper Family Life a few of the cutter parts to add a bit more dimension to my background. I've tried to keep my embellishment in sort of colour clusters in each of those frames. It doesn't work perfectly in some of them, but generally the colour groupings are similar. I did have a bit of a struggle with a couple of those stickers from the theme sticker sheet. They very much are down when they're down, so be warned if you're using those. But in the end, I'm happy with how this is coming together. You can see I've put my journaling in the bottom to my page frame, as well as my date stamp. I did that off screen, and just talks about our night out and how good it was to go out and have a nice steak together. I'm just adding the little blue birds from the Amy Tan puffy sticker sheet. These were perfect birds because one had a bow tie, one had a bow in its hair, and it made me think of lovebirds, which was perfect for our date night layout. So I felt this layout needed a little something on the background, so I'm using a gold ink and watering it down to add some splats to my page. Unfortunately, my last drops of my Heidi Swap Colour Shine in gold have gone now, so I've had to try and find an alternative, and this one's working out well for me at the moment. So that's my layout complete using the July-August Quirky Kit. If you would like to see more of my layouts, please head on over to Instagram and look for Zola28. And if you've enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. It's my very first YouTube video and your support would mean the world. Thank you.